This is our loft area, and we've been living here for about 3-4 years now. This area has been like always under construction. We were just like, this could be an office area, this could just be like a loft area. So there was once upon a time we had a futon right here, had some pictures up there. We took that down. We're just like, we don't like this. We had like some cubes right here. We changed this room so many times. And now that, you know, we're doing YouTube all the time, we need like a good office space. And this has been our computer desk here for a while now, and it's just like been so small. And I wanted to get a bigger desk for my Cricut machine, and this all right here is a mess, so we gotta clear all this out so it can look nice. But all right here for a while was just Cruz's toys, so he can just play right here. TV here, he will be watching TV. We got Kenzie over here. Hello.
No, my name is Princess Ariel.
Oh, sorry, Princess Ariel. I think I have some pictures to show you guys on how this wall looked, because right here is like a striped, and we had stripes all down here from Target. It was like a sticker, and it looked nice for a while, but they started to like peel off. So I'm just like, all right, this is just not working. So we just peeled it off, and then we're just going to do something here, and this is where our new computer desk is going to be. Today is the day that we're trying to revamp this whole area and make it a full nice office area.